Hey guys, it is Brittany Winry with the Wallet Group at Keller Williams Realty. I am out here in Trinity Creek, Broken Arrow School's Tulsa address. Let's take a walking tour. So as I turn around here, you're gonna see this big, beautiful home located in Trinity Creek neighborhood. So pretty. We actually have a 3-car garage. It has a tandem. And as we come up here, you'll notice they have beautiful landscaping, gorgeous brick home with rock accents. We've got a super cute front entry. And let's head on inside. So as we head inside, you're gonna notice this gorgeous front entry. This home is over 3,600 square feet, has 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, 2 bedrooms down, 2 bedrooms up, a formal living / office, and also a formal dining. So here we have what they're using as an office. And this could be a bonus room. Lots of natural light. And then we've got this gorgeous formal dining space with gorgeous light fixtures, wood beams, vaulted ceiling, lots of natural light. And then as we come in the main living area, you're gonna see this really, really pretty built-in butler's pantry, coffee bar area. It's pretty. And then you come into the main living area. So this is super open. We've got gorgeous hardwood flooring throughout the living space, stone fireplace, wood beams, lots of natural light, and a really large kitchen and dining room. So as we head into the kitchen, they've got stainless steel upgraded appliances, lots of cabinets, this really cute bar nook space. We've got the cooktop, which is a gas range. Really pretty. And then check out this huge pantry. We've got a huge walk-in pantry, lots of space for all the things. And then another shot of the living room. So we've got one of the bedrooms is over there to the left along with the laundry room, and then the master is over there to the right. So split floor plan downstairs. Then we've got the dining room space, which is really beautiful. And then the outdoor area is amazing. So let's go ahead and peek out there while we're looking at all the main living room. So they've got built-in speakers out here, as well as an extended patio and pergola. And they're on a pond lot. You guys heard me right, a pond lot, which is really rare here in Trinity Creek. And patio wraps around over here to the side. Really peaceful back here and quiet. So pretty. So let's head back inside. To go check out the living space one more time as we work our way into the master bedroom. So first up, we've got master bedroom with some storage here. This bedroom is so big. Nice big vaulted ceilings. Lots of space for furniture. They've got windows, and then we come into the huge master bathroom with a nice walk-in shower and a tub, jetted tub. Double vanity, which is awesome. separate bathroom, and then check out this huge closet. So we've got lots of storage over here, lots of storage over here, and it still wraps around. And then we've even got this little secret storage space inside the closet, which is awesome. So lots of storage. And then we're going to go around to the other side of the living room, which has the guest bedroom as well as the laundry room. So we've got laundry room space with lots of storage. They've even got a super cute sink. Then we've got a full guest bathroom. Really pretty. And then this really good size guest bedroom. All the closets have great walk-in storage and shelving. Now let's go upstairs. So upstairs they've got a game room, another bonus room, kind of a secret bonus room, and then 2 bedrooms and 1 full bath. So we've got this great big game room. Here is the top secret bonus room. And then we've got a bedroom to the left and a bedroom to the right. Here's the first bedroom, the full bathroom, and the 4th and final bedroom. Another really great size. So for more information on this great home, contact the Woolett Group.